Sudarshan Chakra, the greatest weapon in the world, in the universe. We all have different questions about the Sudarshan Chakra. Who gave Sudarshan Chakra to Sri Krishna or Lord Vishnu? And what does Sudarshan Chakra do? And what is the actual truth of the Sudarshan Chakra? Now the question is, how did Lord Vishnu get the Sudarshan Chakra? Hello, welcome to our channel Devotional Emotion. Hope you all are well. It is mentioned in the Vishnu Purana that Vishnukarma created the chakra from the sun dust. According to Mahabharata, Agnidev presented Lord Krishna with the chakra and Kaumudaki for helping him. Shiva Purana states that Lord Shiva gave Sudarshan Chakra to Lord Vishnu as a boon. This chakra is portrayed either settled on Lord Krishna's little finger or on Lord Vishnu's index finger. And according to Rig Veda, Sudarshan Chakra is also described as the Kal Chakra, the disc of time, which consists of 12 rays and 6 centers. The 12 rays of this chakra represent the 12 months, and the 6 centers represent the 6 seasons. And the literal meaning of Sanskrit word Sudarshana is a vision of which is auspicious. Few of the scriptures claim that it was created through a combination of the power of Trimurti and Brihaspati. The Sudarshan Chakra is not thrown. With willpower, it is sent against the enemy. It rotates very, very fast after leaving the finger and chases the enemy. The chakra itself is rounded and has something like the points of arrows all around its edge. It has tremendous occult and spiritual power to destroy everything. Nobody can stand against the Sudarshan Chakra. The name of the disc was the Sudarshan Chakra. When Lord Krishna took incarnation, Vishnu gave him that chakra. Because Krishna was the embodiment of Vishnu, Krishna could immediately use the chakra at any time. It was his own property. Sri Chaitanya also used the Sudarshan Chakra a few times. He was able to invoke it and it would come to him. When he wanted to kill Jagai and Madhai, for example, he invoked the chakra. These two ruffians saw it coming from heaven and became extremely frightened. Before it reached them, they surrendered to Sri Chaitanya. There are some historical evidences of Sudarshan Chakra existence. A coin dated to 180 BCE with an image of Vasudeva Sri Krishna was found in the Greco-Bactrian city of Ai-Khanom in the Kunduz area of Afghanistan. Minted by Agathocles of Bactria. In Nepal, Jaya Chakravartinda Mella of Kathmandu issued a coin with the chakra, among the only 2 types of Chakra Vikrama coins known so far. There is one gold coin in which Vishnu is depicted as the Chakra Purusha, though Chandragupta II issued coin with the epithet Vikrama. Due to the presence of Kalpa Vriksha on the reverse, it has not been possible to ascribe it to him. The Sudarshan Chakra has 108 serrated blades and has the capability to travel several millions yojanas. 1 yojana equals to 8 kilometers at a blink of an eye. It is not thrown at anybody, rather by willpower. It is sent against the enemy. It has tremendous occult. Please let us know how do you like the video. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel, like and share. Thank you.